What's up everyone, my name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today we're finna be changing the oil on this 2017 Ford Flex with a 3.5 liter V6 engine. So let's get to it. Before we roll around on the ground and get our hands dirty, let's reset the oil light. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Use the steering wheel button to navigate to the settings menu, then vehicle and select oil life reset. Hold down the center OK button. The oil life should now be reset. Set the emergency parking brake to keep the car from moving. I'm using a low profile jack to lift the car from the metal beam underneath the front subframe. Once lifted, I'll place the jack stand next to it to make sure that the car is securely supported. This method avoids bending the frame while keeping it safe to work on. Remove the skid plate that covers the bottom of the engine. Use pliers to return the retainer knobs counterclockwise. Then locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan near the middle of the car. Use a 15mm socket and a ratchet to loosen the drain plug and let the old oil drain into your catch pan. Be careful though, the oil might still be hot if the car was running recently. Once the oil has fully drained, clean the drain plug with a rag and check the gasket for cracks or damage. If everything looks good, reinstall the drain plug and tighten it snugly. Don't overdo it though, you don't want to strip the threads. If you notice oil around the plug before you removed it, make sure to replace the drain plug. Next, locate the oil filter. If it's not on too tight, then you can try removing it by hand. If needed, use an oil filter wrench to loosen it like I did. Once it's loose, unscrew it by hand and prepare for some oil to spill out. Take your new oil filter and apply a thin layer of fresh oil to the rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. I normally don't pre-oil the filters, but since this filter is installed facing upwards, I'll add a bit of oil before installing it. Screw the filter on by hand until it's snug, then give it an extra quarter turn. Don't over tighten it. Now it's time to add the new oil. Remove the oil cap on top of the engine and place a funnel into the opening. Pour in 5.7 quarts of 5W20 synthetic oil. Once you add the oil, tighten the oil cap and start the engine. Let it run for a few seconds. Then shut it off and recheck the oil level using the dipstick. Add more oil if needed. until it's at max level. Recycle the old oil and filter responsibly. Most auto parts stores will take it for free. While you're here, check all the fluids are topped off. And that's it. That's how you change the oil on a 2017 Ford Flex with a 3.5 liter. It's a simple task that saves you money and keeps your engine running smoothly. If y'all found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.